Can I talk to y'all for a bit? Yes? Okay. Mercury is in Pisces, so it makes us more reflective and more introspective. And this is happening in my first house. So here's a little story time I felt called to share. I remember teaching a yin yoga class on a Sunday morning. And as I was teaching, I got washed over with emotions. I was crying while giving instructions, literally crying. And when I think back to that exact moment in my life, I honestly don't think anyone in the class knew how emotional I was. Or that in between each instruction, I was shedding tears, like full blown crying. I was sad. I was confused, but I kept showing up for myself, showing up for the collective and the community I was connected to at the time. One thing about me, though, I'm loyal by default. But as I grow, I naturally outgrow my surroundings. And that shit sucks. It's disappointing for me. But I've learned to embrace the space of letting go, to accept that it's okay to resonate with people in one season and not resonate in the next. That's growth. I can honestly say that I've outgrown versions of myself, people, places, and things that I didn't want to admit I needed to release. I've had to get comfortable saying everybody can't come. And that has been one of the hardest lessons for me. But as I continue to progress, I'm learning that letting go isn't betrayal, it's alignment. And it's important for me to let go because, I may have been crying for a lot of different reasons, but the truth is, I was over it. My body was catching up to what I already knew, but was denying. I hope you enjoy. Bye.